Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous lovely DIY headband scarf wig. Yes, the main reason why I call it headband scarf wig, keep on watching, you will know that. So you can see what I am doing now. I'm using an elastic headband. We use this in making headband wigs. So I decided to create these as in a fast method and a very true and gold wig. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm just putting points with my metallic pen where I'm going to be braiding on. So this will make my work to be very easy, and it will make the wig to be over full, so that the wig will so that the braids will lay onto each other. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to cut my Brazilian wool. I'll cut it. I wanted to mix this Brazilian wool with color Brazilian wool, but at the end of the day I never knew the colored one was fake. Yes, there's fake Brazilian wool. Those are the kind of Brazilian wool that won't separate one by one. They will tangle to each other. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm using my needle and thread to attach the braid on. Yes, because we don't want the braid to make the hairband to shrink, because if you are not careful, if you just crochet the Brazilian wool direct and you want to braid, it will make the hairband to be, as in to make it shrink, and it won't lay flat on your hair. So when you tie scarf on it, it will be very bulky, and we don't want that. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to tie it down, then I will start braiding. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video always. I really appreciate each and every one of you for the love, for the support, for subscribing, for liking, for watching. I really appreciate you so much. Your support and love means a lot to me. So can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial? And if you want to see this gorgeous throw on and go wig in another version, which I'm not going to tell you the kind of version I want to do it to again, just make sure you comment down below and give your girl a huge thumbs up, you understand, to ginger me to be able to make another version in another style, you understand now. So can you please keep on watching? Before I allow you guys to keep on watching, I'm going to tell you the strand of Brazilian wool I use. It's very important to know the strand of Brazilian wool you use, I mean the amount, so that it will be easier for your beads to come in, so that it won't be difficult for you. I use the level strand of Brazilian wool, and if you want to attach beads towards the end of your Brazilian wool, you have to drag some tip to be longer than some, you understand. So you saw me doing that from the beginning of the video, so I tried to explain to you guys. So sit down, keep on watching, let's watch it together. After I'm done braiding, I'm going to be adding first strand of beads towards the end. Yes, first strand of beads towards the end. So kindly please keep on watching to check out the final look. So the final look, just straight on the headband, you understand, just straight on, tie a scarf, cap, anything you want. You can see this is what I mean, that when the hair is meant to lay to each other, fall to each other, not to be bulky, you understand, to look natural. This was what I was talking about. So that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much. And if you want to see this in another style, comment down below. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the like. See you in my next video. As I do say, stay blessed always.